Hi everyone, it's Grace from Salamander Stoves. I run the office here and design some of the Flue kits, and we're going to be talking about our Shepherd's Hut Flue kits today as part of our new series, doing a little spotlight on different Flue kits for different wonderful, amazing little spaces. We get most of our Flue components from a company called Midtherm. They're based in the Midlands and they do excellent, really high quality Flue. So they do single wall, which is like this, it's always black. And then you go into 5-inch twin wall system for a shepherd's hut. So we've got a 5-inch twin wall here and here, sort of one in stainless, one in black. And you can choose. This is obviously quite a modern look, whereas this one's going to be a bit more traditional in the matte black finish. All the Flue kits on our website have been designed in-house by either myself or Mark, who's also the designer of Hobbit stove and the range, and he's also one of the directors of the company. We've tried to take into account as many of the guidelines as possible, as there are lots out there. That's really just to make the whole process as easy as possible and for the installation to be as simple as possible too. We currently have 2 different Flue kits on our website specifically designed for shepherd's huts. They both use mainly twin wall, but you'll be starting off kit 1 with the length of single wall. That just sits into the collar of the stove. You'll then step into your twin wall with the adapter that you saw earlier. And then really simply, you'll just have a 500mm length of twin wall and a 300mm length. And they just clip together really easily with these locking bands. And then obviously going through the roof, you'll have certain pieces like the flashing, the trim plate and the storm collar. But you'll be finishing it all off with the standard cowl. Really simple. Again, it just clips on using the existing locking band. You can change it to be an AD cowl. This is going to be for anti-downdraft, which can occur if you've got surrounding trees like we do on this hut here, or if you're in a really windy area and you just don't want that smoke coming back down the flue pipe. So that's really excellent for that. And again, all these parts can either be in the stainless steel finish or in the black twin wall for that more kind of traditional look. Shepherd's Hut Flue Kit 2. That one's going to be all outside and all in twin wall. It just creates a really nice, neat finish on the inside of the shepherd's hut. We would recommend using the additional rear heat shield for the Hobbit. It's going to keep the Hobbit nice and close to the wall and really reduce that horizontal travel on the Flue system to create a really good draw. Another really good benefit to Shepherd's Hut Flue Kit 2 that goes out through the wall is that it's going to free up the top of your stove, so you'll be able to pop a kettle, a cook pot, a stove fan on the top of there, just to really make use of the top of that stove as much as you possibly can. All of the kits will come with at least one of these wall bands. In the Shepherd's Hut Flue Kit it just comes with the one, and it's really easy to install. You can undo these nuts and bolts here and you'll just go round the pipe and connect to your wall. There is a bit of flexibility to the angle. This is approximately 50mm, which is the standard distance to combustibles for the twin wall flue, but you can extend it with some extension arms, or you can build off of the wall if you did need to have it sited further away than that. I just want to give you a little bit more information about the flashing. So this will be the flashing that you receive in the standard Shepherd's Hut Flue Kit 1 kit. It's in a lot of the different Flue kits, but I'll just give you a bit of an insight into how it works. So as you can see, it's really flexible, so you can push that to any angle it needs to be. And it's really good for this sort of type of roof, which is the standard roof for a shepherd's hut. So you can really sort of mould that in as and where you need it to be. With this flashing, we obviously use it for our Flue kit, but you do have all the different sizes here, and you can cut that to the size to get a really nice tight finish on the flue, which is obviously just going to help with weatherproofing and waterproofing as well. And it will be finished off with a storm collar just to again help with the weatherproofing. We do have a full video for the installation of this flashing with its fixing kit and with the storm collar around some flue pipes, so make sure you check that one out, make sure it's done properly. In each kit, in all of our Flue kits, you'll receive a tube of the fire cement and the heatproof silicone. These are both from Vitcas, so you'll need a caulking gun to be able to use them. The fire cement, you're going to use it where your single wall flue goes into the collar of the stove, and then where the single wall connects into this adapter, just on this sort of join here. You just need a little bead of it just to really help get a good seal. And that'll be it for the cement. The silicone, because you don't need anything on the joins, because we've got these nice big clips, you're only really going to need this on the outside, so you can use it sort of where the flashing goes, around the storm collar, and also to help connect the trim plates to the inside ceiling, so that it gets a really nice finish without any screws. The choice between the 2 kits is completely up to you. It kind of depends where you want the stove situated in the hut, and personal preference as well, down to the aesthetics. Although these kits have been designed to suit most types of installation, we can of course amend them. We build them all in-house to order anyway, so if you needed a bit more height, a bit less height, we can obviously do that for you. Or if it's not going to work at all, we can design a completely new one. Just email us with the details of your space and we'll get a bespoke kit made for you. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more useful videos on stoves and flue kits. Thank you.